Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15FE. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15FE won't turn on after exposure to water, you're not alone. Water damage can cause serious issues, often leading to internal short circuits or component failure. If left unrepaired, this can lead to further damage, making it more expensive and complicated to fix, so it's crucial to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, a spudger, tweezers, replacement components, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, ensure you have a clean working area. To open the HP 15FE safely, start by removing the screws located on the back cover. Use your precision screwdriver to carefully take out each screw, making sure to keep them organized. Once the screws are out, gently use the spudger to pry the back cover off, being careful not to damage any clips or connectors. After opening the laptop, look for the motherboard, which is where most water damage occurs. You may notice corrosion or moisture around the components. If you see any signs of water, it's essential to dry it out. You can use a cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to clean the affected areas gently. Now, locate the damaged component. This is often the power connector or the motherboard itself. Once identified, gently disconnect any cables attached to this component. Take your time and use tweezers if necessary to avoid any accidental damage. After removing the damaged component, replace it with a new one, ensuring it fits snugly into place. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, making sure they are securely attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, you can replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, screw all the screws back in securely, ensuring everything is tight. Before you power up your device, double-check all connections and make sure there are no leftover screws. To prevent water damage in the future, consider using a keyboard cover or keeping your laptop in a protective case. Avoid placing drinks near your device, and always be cautious in wet environments. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.